Parsley seeds mixed with saffron offer a unique blend of nutrients and health benefits, combining the best of both these powerful ingredients. Here are 5 notable benefits. 1. Skin and eye health. The vitamins and minerals in parsley seeds, coupled with the anti-inflammatory and nourishing properties of saffron, can promote skin health, reducing signs of aging and improving complexion. Saffron is also known to benefit eye health due to its high concentration of carotenoids. 2. Supports heart health. This mixture is beneficial for heart health. Parsley seeds have properties that help in regulating blood pressure, while saffron can improve blood vessel health and circulation, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. 3. Enhances digestive health. Parsley seeds and saffron both aid in digestion. Parsley seeds have a mild diuretic effect, which helps in reducing bloating and supports kidney function. 4. Mood improvement and neuroprotective effects. Saffron is known for its mood-enhancing properties.